Hello students, how are you? Once again welcome back to the class of Ravisirjee, the easiest and best way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in today's video lessons we will learn about set theory, their representations, their types and types of intervals. So students, let us start over here. Set. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects, elements. The objects which belong to a set are called members or elements of a set. Representation of a set. There are two ways by which the set can be described: tabular form or raster form. Here the elements of a set are actually written down, separated by commas and enclosed by curly bracket. V, the set of vowels in English alphabet. V, A, E, I, O, U. A, the set of odd natural numbers less than 10, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and set of natural number 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. The set builder method or rules method. As a subset is described by characterizing property P of x of its elements. In such case, the set is described by x p of x holds or x oblique p of x holds. For example, m 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. X is less than 20. Prime numbers 6, 7, 9, 10, 11 belong to n. X less than 5. Types of set: empty set or null set or void set. A set consists of no elements at all is called an empty set or null set. Void set, it is denoted by phi. In raster form, it is written as empty bracket. Examples: x belongs to n, 1 less than, x less than 2, x belongs to r, and similarly singleton set. The set x belongs to n and x square is equal to 9, where x will be 3, is a singleton set. A set consisting of single element is known as singleton set. Finite set. A set is called finite set if it is either void or its elements can be listed or counted, are known as finite set. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3 is a finite set. Example: set of every natural numbers less than 100 are finite set. Set of soldiers in Indian Army. Set of all persons in India. Fourth, infinite set. A set whose element cannot be listed by the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 7, dash, dash, dash. For any natural number, n is called an infinite set. Examples: set of all points in a plane, set of all lines in a plane. X belongs to r, 0 less than, x less than infinity. Cardinal number of a finite set. The number n in the above definition is called the cardinal number or order of a finite set A and is denoted by n of A. Equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal set if every element of set A is in the set B and every element of set B is in set A. It is written as A is equal to B. Example: 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 5 and 5, 1, 2 are the example of equal set, equivalent set. Two sets A and B said to be equivalent sets if n of A is equal to n of B, where order of A or order of B is the number of element of set A or a set B, it is written as A equivalent B. Examples: A 1 2 3, B A B C. Both the order is same, therefore A equivalent B. Whenever A is equal to B, then order of A is equal to order of B. Thus equal sets are always equivalent, but equivalent sets need not to be equal. Subsets: if A and B are two sets given in such a way that every element of A is in B, then A is a subset of set B and it is denoted by A is subset of B. Read as A contained B. If at least one element of A does not belong to B, then A is not a subset of B. It is written as A does not contain B. Power set: the collection of all the subsets of a set A is called power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. P of A, B is subset of A. A is a set with order M, then proper subset and superset. If A subset B, then A is called the proper subset of B is called the superset of A. Universal set: if there are some sets under the consideration, then A set can be chosen arbitrarily, which is superset of each sets. For example, such that such set is known as universal sets. It is denoted by capital U. Examples: let A 2 4 6, B 1 3 5, 0 7, 1 only 3 subsets, U 0 to 7. Types of interval: first, open interval AB means all the element belongs to R and X greater than A less than B. All the points between A and B belongs to open interval. Here you can see that A and B are open. Closed interval: X belongs to R, A less than X less than B. The interval which contain the end point also is called closed interval. Here you can see that number line minus infinity to infinity. Semi open or semi closed interval: open closed interval AB, X belongs to R, A less than X less than equal to B. Here A is open and B is closed. Similarly, A is closed and B is open, X belongs to R, A less than X less than B. Where A is closed and B is open. Note: the set 0 to infinity defines the set of non-negative real number. The set minus infinity to 0 defines the set of negative real numbers. The set minus infinity to infinity defines the set of real numbers. Length of interval: the numbers B minus A is called the length of any interval AB, closed interval AB, open interval AB. You should know the term. We shall denote several sets of numbers by the following symbol: N set of natural number, W set of whole numbers, Z set of integers, Q set of rational numbers. Fifth, R set of real numbers. 6. Z plus set of all positive integers. 7. Q plus set of all positive rational number. 8. R plus set of all positive real numbers. C set of all complex numbers. Okay students, I hope you have understood this video lectures. Students, if you having any doubts, just comment in the comment box. For further videos of this chapter, keep watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, just subscribe right now and you can share it. Thank you so much.